Established, BitMine Immersion Technologies is more than just a Bitcoin miner. They are building infrastructure for the digital asset economy. Now, let's delve deeper into what BMNR actually does. At its core, BMNR designs, builds, and operates immersion-cooled digital asset infrastructure. This encompasses several key areas, including Bitcoin mining, Ethereum compute, and data center-style operations. Think of it as providing the physical backbone for the digital world. To truly understand BMNR's advantage, it's essential to grasp the difference between immersion cooling and air cooling. Traditional data centers and mining operations rely heavily on air cooling. This involves using fans and air conditioners to dissipate heat generated by the servers. However, air cooling has its limitations. As computing power increases, the amount of heat generated also rises. Air cooling struggles to keep pace, leading to inefficiencies and performance bottlenecks. Immersion cooling offers a far more efficient solution. Instead of using air, the servers are submerged in a dielectric, non-conductive liquid coolant. This liquid directly absorbs heat from the components, providing superior cooling performance. The benefits of immersion cooling are numerous. First and foremost, it allows for much higher densities of computing power. More servers can be packed into a smaller space, maximizing efficiency. This is crucial in the competitive world of digital asset mining and compute. Secondly, immersion cooling significantly reduces energy consumption. By efficiently removing heat, the need for excessive fans and air conditioning is minimized. This translates to lower operating costs and a smaller carbon footprint. Furthermore, immersion cooling enhances the lifespan of the hardware. The sealed environment protects against dust, humidity, and other environmental factors. This reduces the risk of corrosion and component failure, leading to longer equipment life cycles. In essence, BMNR's immersion-cooled infrastructure offers a more efficient, reliable, and sustainable solution compared to traditional air-cooled systems. This efficiency is not just a nice-to-have, it's a critical factor in the profitability and long-term viability of digital asset operations. Consider the economics. Lower energy costs, higher computing density, and reduced maintenance all contribute to a significant competitive advantage. BMNR's commitment to immersion cooling positions them as a leader in this rapidly evolving industry. They are not simply following the trend, they are setting the standard for efficient digital asset infrastructure. Beyond the technical advantages, immersion cooling also offers environmental benefits. By reducing energy consumption, BMNR is contributing to a more sustainable future for the digital asset industry. This is increasingly important as institutional investors and regulators place greater emphasis on environmental responsibility. BMNR's forward-thinking approach to infrastructure design sets them apart from their competitors. They are not just building for today, they are building for the future. Their focus on efficiency, reliability, and sustainability positions them for long-term success in the ever-changing world of digital assets. The data center-style operations are also a key component of BMNR's overall strategy. By offering compute and storage solutions, they can cater to a wider range of clients beyond just crypto miners. This diversification reduces their reliance on the volatile crypto market and provides a more stable revenue stream. Imagine companies using BMNR's infrastructure for artificial intelligence, data analytics, or other computationally intensive tasks. This expands their potential market and strengthens their position as a leading provider of digital asset infrastructure. In summary, BMNR's core business revolves around building and operating cutting-edge immersion-cooled digital asset infrastructure. This infrastructure supports Bitcoin mining, Ethereum compute, and a variety of data center-style operations. Their commitment to efficiency, reliability, and sustainability sets them apart from the competition and positions them for long-term growth in the digital asset economy. By understanding the nuances of immersion cooling and the breadth of their infrastructure offerings, investors can gain a deeper appreciation for BMNR's potential. They are not just a crypto company, they are an infrastructure company building the foundation for the future of digital finance. This is not financial advice. Now that we understand the core of BMNR's operations, let's move on to their multi-asset strategy. This strategy further differentiates them from traditional Bitcoin mining companies. We will explore how their exposure to both Bitcoin and Ethereum positions them for long-term success, and how they are building digital asset technology for the future. Having established a foundation in immersion-cooled digital asset infrastructure, BMNR's strategic advantage lies in its multi-asset approach. This extends beyond the limitations of single-asset mining, offering a more diversified revenue stream. By focusing on digital asset technology, DAT, infrastructure, they offer compute, power, and cooling solutions. These solutions can be repurposed across various digital assets, adapting to market demands. This strategic flexibility provides optionality, allowing BMNR to adapt to the evolving crypto landscape. Consider the traditional Bitcoin miner, often locked into a single asset and its inherent risks. If Bitcoin's price falters or mining difficulty spikes, their profitability is directly and immediately threatened. BMNR, however, can shift resources to Ethereum compute or other digital asset operations, mitigating risk. This adaptability is key to long-term survival and growth in the rapidly changing crypto world. Imagine a scenario where Ethereum staking rewards become exceptionally lucrative. BMNR, with its substantial Ethereum holdings and adaptable infrastructure, can capitalize on this opportunity. This agility is crucial in the volatile crypto market, allowing them to pivot as needed. The importance of crypto infrastructure is growing, driven by several key factors shaping the industry. Firstly, institutional adoption is increasing, bringing more sophisticated players into the space. These institutions require robust, reliable infrastructure to support their complex operations. They need solutions that can handle large volumes of transactions and data securely. Secondly, network difficulty is constantly increasing, demanding more efficient and powerful hardware. Traditional air-cooled systems struggle to keep pace, making immersion cooling a more attractive option. Immersion cooling offers superior heat dissipation, allowing for higher performance and greater efficiency. Finally, the demand for energy efficiency and uptime is paramount in today's market. As environmental concerns grow and operational costs rise, efficient infrastructure becomes essential. Companies are seeking ways to reduce their carbon footprint and minimize energy consumption. BMNR aims to be a key player in this space, providing essential infrastructure for crypto networks. They envision a future where their immersion-cooled facilities power a significant portion of the digital asset ecosystem. This vision includes supporting various blockchain applications and decentralized services. However, it's important to acknowledge the risks associated with this investment. Investing in early-stage crypto infrastructure companies carries inherent uncertainties. The most significant risk is crypto price dependency, which can impact revenue. BMNR's profitability is directly tied to the value of the digital assets they support. A sharp decline in crypto prices could significantly impact their revenue and overall financial performance. Potential dilution is another concern for investors to consider carefully. To fund expansion or operations, BMNR may need to issue more shares, diluting existing shareholders' ownership. This dilution could reduce the value of existing shares and impact future returns. Regulatory uncertainties also pose a threat to the company's long-term prospects. The regulatory landscape for crypto is constantly evolving, and new regulations could negatively impact BMNR's business. These regulations could restrict their operations or increase compliance costs. Finally, there are execution risks associated with building and scaling their infrastructure. BMNR's success depends on their ability to effectively build and operate their infrastructure efficiently. Any delays or setbacks in their expansion plans could jeopardize their overall strategic objectives. This is a high-risk investment, and potential investors should carefully consider these risks before investing. It's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand the potential downsides. This is not financial advice, and this video is for informational purposes only. Remember, investing in crypto-related companies involves significant risks. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Consider your own risk tolerance and financial goals before investing. BMNR operates in a rapidly evolving and highly competitive market. Their success depends on their ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. They must also effectively manage their costs and maintain a competitive edge. The company's future performance is subject to various factors beyond their control. These factors include macroeconomic conditions, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. Investors should carefully evaluate these factors when considering an investment in BMNR. The crypto market is known for its volatility and unpredictability. Sudden price swings can significantly impact the value of crypto-related investments. Investors should be prepared for potential losses and have a long-term investment horizon. BMNR's early-stage nature adds another layer of risk to the investment. Early-stage companies often face challenges in scaling their operations and achieving profitability. Investors should be aware of these challenges and the potential for setbacks. Despite the risks, BMNR offers the potential for significant growth. Their innovative approach to crypto infrastructure could position them for long-term success. However, it's crucial to weigh the risks and potential rewards carefully before investing.